In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Stripe transactions. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Transactions. This will open the full list of transaction activity connected to your Stripe account. After the Transactions page loads, take a moment to review the transaction list on your screen. This helps you confirm that you are in the correct section before creating your export. When you are ready to continue, find and click the Export button. This will open the export settings where you can choose exactly how you want the file to be created. This is important because the transaction dates and times in the exported file will follow the time zone you select here. After that, choose the date range for the transactions you want to download. You can select one of the preset options if it matches your needs, or you can choose Custom if you want to enter a specific start date and end date. Next, move to the Columns option. Here you can decide which transaction fields you want included in the export. This allows you to control how much detail appears in the file. You can keep the default columns if they already work for you, or you can adjust them to match the information you need for reporting, bookkeeping, or review. Once you have selected the time zone, date range, and columns, review all of the export settings carefully. Make sure everything looks correct before you generate the file. When you are satisfied with your selections, click Export. Stripe will then begin generating your transaction export. Depending on the amount of transaction data in your account and the date range you selected, this may take a little time. Wait for the export to finish processing. When the file is ready, download the exported transaction file to your computer. You can then open it and use it as needed for your records, financial review, or data analysis. That is the full process for downloading Stripe transactions. Once you know where the Transactions section and export options are located, the process is quick and easy to repeat whenever you need updated data. Thanks for watching, and that is all there is to it.